This data is from randomly chosen 200 mobile orders, and it counts how many coffees mobile orders, right? So there are four possibilities, and their frequencies are given, and we are going to calculate the standard deviation. Okay. So to calculate the standard deviation, we are going to follow the following steps. First, we are going to calculate the probability distribution first because it is in frequency, and then we are going to calculate the mean, and then we are going to transform the outcomes into squared deviations. And then we are going to calculate the mean of squared deviations. That is variance. And then finally, standard deviation is the square root of variance, right? So there are 5 steps, and you may need calculator or a computer. So let me start. First, turn the frequency into probability. Say x is the number of coffees in an order, and it takes 1, 2, 3, 4. And the probabilities are the ratio between frequency divided by the sample size. The sample size is 200, right? Total, so 25 plus 25 plus 75 plus 75, the total is 200 as given here. So the probability is 25 divided by 200, 25 divided by 200, and 75 divided by 200, 75 divided by 200, right? I will simply you may write them as 0.125, 0.125, it is 0.375, 0.375. So they are probabilities. So we have done the first step. And let's calculate the mean. To calculate the mean, I'm going to calculate probability weighted outcomes. Okay, that is 1 times 0.25. That is 0.125. And 2 times 0.125, 0.25. 3 times 0.375. That is, you may need a calculator, 1.125. And 4 times 0.375 is 1.5. All right. So these are 4 probability weighted outcomes. Sum those outcomes, then you get 3. This is mean number of coffees per mobile orders, right? I will write it down here. The mean is 3. Now I'm going to erase here. And let's calculate the deviation first. The deviation is x minus the mean. So relative to the mean, how far and which direction the outcome is. Like say, if there is a random order, a mobile order, ordering only 1 coffee, that's 2 coffees lower than the mean, right? And outcome 2 is -1, right? And 3 is 0, 4 is 1. You are taking just the mean from the outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4. The -2, -1, 0, and 1. They are deviations, how much they deviate from the mean. And you square them. Squared deviations are literally squares. So -2 squared, 4, and -1 squared, 1, 0, 1. Simple. And then, again, I'm going to calculate, that is the third step. The second and third steps are done. And we are going to calculate mean of these square deviations. And so we are going to calculate probability weighted squared deviations using these probabilities. Okay, 4 times 0.125 is 0.5. And 0.125 probability, 0.125 times 1 is 0.125, times 0 is 0, and 0.375 times 1 is 0.375. So these are probability weighted square deviations after you transform x into here, and then we are calculating the mean. Then sum, you will get 1. That is the variance of the number of coffees per order, mobile order. And then when variance is 1, standard deviation is square root of variance, which is square root of 1, which is 1. Simple.